Yo, what's up guys? Another toy, another day. This is your boy Rommel, and today I'm sharing again my latest video. But this time, it's not about toys and action figure unboxing. I wanted to show you guys my other side of collecting, which is the TCG or trading card collecting, like Pokemon card, anime card, and sport card collection. So what we are waiting for? Let's see my collection. I have some collection card here, like Pokemon card, anime card, and sport card. So I will show you one by one my sum of collection. So this is my Pokemon card. I love also much the Greninja, Frogadier, Froakie, and some EX card collection of Pokemon. Luxray, Kingdra EX, V collection, Unknown, Oranguru. I think this is full art. Just correct me if I'm wrong. King Gambit, Altaria, and lastly Raichu. I wanted to show you also my Ghost Fighter collection, or in Japanese they call it Yu Yu Hakusho. This is my Yu Yu Hakusho Japanese card collection. In the Philippines we call it the Ghost Fighter anime. So this is Eugene or Urameshi, Vincent or Hei in Japanese name, Alfred or Kuwabara, and Dennis and Master Jeremiah. I will show you also some of my Dragon Ball collection. Like this one, Goku Kid. This Son Goku combined or joined by, what is the name of this villain? I forget the name of the villain. By the way, it is Son Goku. Android 16. It is acetate like card. Videl. Majin Buu. Cell, first and second form, and Cell perfect form, the greatest villain of the Dragon Ball, Frieza, and another Frieza, each time it is Golden Frieza, and Frieza on the pad, first form. And I'm sorry, it is Naruto. I will show you also my Naruto, some of my Naruto collection. So this is my some Naruto collection card. Uzumaki Naruto, it's double. Sasuke, and what's the name I forgot? Sakura, yes. Gaara of the Sand, Kankuro of the Sand also, and Temari of the Sand. Rock Lee, and my one and only anime card of Slam Dunk. This is a very nice card. It's long way back that I got this card. And I will show you guys also my some NBA card collection. I will not tell all their names. I will show you also. It's very too many. Jason Tatum of Boston Celtics, and Kevin Durant when he is on the Phoenix Suns. Dallas Maverick team, Synergy with Kyrie Irving and Luka Doncic. Anthony Edwards, the Ant-Man. And Lonzo Ball, I think it is Lonzo Ball, right? No, sorry, LaMelo Ball. And this is most of my collection, the greatest of all time, Michael Jordan. And the second greatest of all time, LeBron James. And Kobe Bryant. Michael Jordan Holo. And then Michael Jordan also. Michael Jordan, it is, if you see this one, because my lighting is not good, you will show the face of Michael Jordan here. Michael Jordan. A cut above, it is a 90s card. Long way back. Earthshaker, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan also. So most of my sports card I have is Michael Jordan. And LeBron James. Another LeBron James card. And then another LeBron James when he is on Cleveland Cavaliers, when he took the MVP award. And LeBron James again. And some of my Kobe Bryant card. And lastly, the greatest shooter of all time, Stephen Curry. And last, my Stephen Curry card. So that's it, guys. That's some of my card collection. I hope you liked my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. So thank you and see you on the next one.